Hello everybody, welcome back to another studio vlog. I think this is studio vlog number 5, I think. It's been a little while since I've done one, but I've just filmed a video on me making a whole load of Baguette Boy keychains. Like, oh, look at these. I just love them so much. I don't know what it is about this guy, but I just love it. Obviously I've done like keychains and stickers and all sorts of like stuff like that in the past, but I don't know. Today I actually made the polymer clay pins of the design as well. I love how they have turned out, but like I said, it's going to be in a video that probably be up by the time this one's up anyway. I've just got to edit it tonight so that it can go up. But yeah, I thought I would start another studio vlog here because I've been away for a few weeks. Basically I had my wisdom tooth removed and oh my goodness, it was horrible. I couldn't really speak properly, it really hurt my mouth, but back to normal now. I've also ripped my baby nail off. Like, you probably can't tell because there's still a nail there, but it is actually detached from my finger and just held together by the like very bottom of it. So I've got really pointy nails, just one little stubby nail because I don't want to fully ping it off. And that really hurts, so it's kind of put me out of action for a little bit, but I'm back now and I've been working away behind the scenes and stuff. Anyway, I've been doing so many pins, so many keychains, and I need to start working on charms. I just got my prints through today, but I've been designing those as well, and I've been doing all sorts. I've also made handmade sticker packs for my shop for my Christmas update. I'm hoping to do the Christmas update the first week of November. I was aiming for the 1st, which is next Sunday, but I don't think my Christmas washi tapes are gonna arrive. Christmas washi tapes are coming, but my mini prints arrived today. This is how many I have. This is how I order my mini prints. I order them A4, then cut them all down myself, just because they are so expensive. It's like 4 times the price to buy them cut down. So if I cut them down myself, I save the money, which means I can make them even cheaper on my shop. But yeah, here's the sneak peek. I won't go too much into detail on them because obviously, I don't know, I like to save it for my shop update video where I show everything, which is probably a bit backwards. But I do have some more bits. Hold on, I'll show these ones proper. But these ones here are going to be my thank you cards. I'm doing something a little bit different this time. I've also got these little Christmas pud prints. I love it so much. I'll show you here, because I'm going to be cutting these in a second, and I thought I'd just hop on and do a little montage. Then I thought actually I'll talk to the camera as well because I have a face on with all my makeup and stuff because I just filmed. But yeah, these are going to be my thank you cards, and then on the back they're going to have like this writing. I designed the front and the back on my iPad on Procreate, and now I just got them printed so then I can cut them down with the guillotine. And then I also got one of these, corner punch. Now I've always wanted one of these literally for years, and I don't know why I've never bought one until now, but I thought I'd treat myself to a corner punch. So hopefully I can make these thank you cards with rounded corners, and that'll be a bit of fun because up until now I have been rounding off the corners of all my thank you cards with my scissors by hand. So we'll see how it goes, and I'm going to insert a little montage of me cutting up all these prints because I think I'm going to be here for a couple of hours. Hello everybody, so it's currently the next day. It's actually Saturday the 24th and I've been pumpkin picking, so you have to excuse my hair. Like, I got rained on and it's gone all curly, so I've just like tied it up with a scrunchie and not looking my best, am I? But yeah, something about that. I actually do have naturally curly hair, which people find really funny because I straighten it so much. I don't really like curly hair on me, but every time I put it up in like a ponytail like this, I feel like I look like my mum when like I was a kid, so I could remember her age, because like, how old am I now? I'm 26 and like my mum at 26, I would have been like 6 at this time, so like I remember my mum looking like she did at my age, which sounds so weird, makes me feel so old, but here I am. I've just been cutting out all of my thank you cards. I've just finished them and I have this many. This is way more than I need, but for some reason the company that I ordered my prints from this time sent me out double what I ordered. I don't know if that was, you know, by mistake, if they meant to, but I'm not complaining because it meant I got double the amount of thank you cards, even though I don't really need them. But yeah, really happy with how they've turned out. So this is how they are. It's just one of my little sketches of the little peppermint swirls, and obviously I use that tool to round off the corners, and then I've got like this little bit on the back, and then I've got this little gap to handwrite notes in there. I think it's so cute. I just think these are a bit different, and yeah, I really like them. The little faces make me so happy. Like, look at these little faces. Especially this one with his little teeth. I think it's so cute. So any order is going to have a handwritten thank you note from me coming at Christmas. And like I said, I've just cut out all of these. I think there's actually 112. I just don't think I'm going to ever need that many, but yeah, that's how many I've got, and I thought I'd cut them all out now whilst I was kind of in the flow. So this is the cutter that I used. I said this in the video yesterday, I think, anyway, and it's the X-Cut 5mm round corner cutter, and to be honest, for this size I think it's worked out really nicely. Like, it's not too cornered, it's not too rounded. I really like it, and yeah, after I've used it on all of those, I can honestly say love this and would highly recommend it. These are really thick card as well. These are 375 GSM, so they're pretty sturdy, pretty thick. I like to use a nice sturdy card, like the highest one I usually can get hold of. But yes, cut through it, absolute dream. Very happy with it. Could only cut through one at a time, but I think with paper and stuff it could probably cut through a bit more. Besides that, I haven't really done anything else today because, like I said, I went pumpkin picking and it was amazing. Loved it. Got some giant pumpkins. I thought actually I would give you a little bit of a sneak peek on some of the Christmas stuff that I've been working on. Like I said, over the past couple of weeks I haven't been filming just because I had loads of things going on and all sorts, but I have been making Christmas stuff non-stop. That's basically all I've been doing. I will show you one of my sticker packs right now because I think this video is probably going to go up on Monday. I think I'm going to put this up for Monday. So I've got 2 handmade sticker packs. These are completely different to ones that I've done before, and I'm very happy with them. These are by far my favourite ones. I haven't got too many packs again because I'm just obviously making these by hand, but I'll show you the 2 designs that I've done because it kind of gives you a theme idea of the themes that I've gone for. I've done 2 kind of main themes with all of my Christmas stuff. Yeah, I'm so excited about them. So the first set is the gingerbread set. Obviously I love gingerbread. I don't know if you guys know it, but I do. This is the gingerbread handmade sticker pack. Do you see this? There's 5 stickers in each. I will get them out for you and show you each sticker because they're adorable. Or should I just keep them in there and not show you fully until... I'm going to show you the gingerbreads. Look at these. Are these not the cutest little gingerbread pair you've ever seen in your whole entire life? I know. They are so cute. So that's a sneak peek on the gingerbread ones. I'm sure you've seen some other ones just then, but I won't show you them all until, you know, it's closer to the time for the shop update video, but that's just a little sneak peek. I was able to hand make them all. I've actually hand cut them all as well. I took my time on them, making sure they were all perfect, and I won't take any out, but I'll just show you here. This is the handmade snowflake. one. So they're all snowy themed. I'm sure you can tell what most of those are in there, but I will keep it a secret for a little while longer. I just absolutely love them, love the designs. I've been working really hard on them. I've obviously received my prints now, which are kind of the same theme. I'm going to have some boxes coming. Yeah, I'm very, very excited. I'm going to do more like discount boxes like I did on my last shop update. I'm hoping to be able to bring this shop update on the 1st, but it all depends on whether or not my washi tape arrives. I think I mentioned that yesterday, but I don't know. I haven't had an update yet. They're aiming to ship it this week, and it just depends on when it's going to arrive. So I think I'm going to do it this Sunday or next Sunday, because I like to do it on a weekend. I think it just prepares me better. So yeah, it's either going to be on the 1st or the 8th of November, one or the two. So yeah, it's getting close. I'm trying to be really, really prepared, really like overboard, just making everything up, and then I'm going to be ready to go. I have so many pins. Should I show you a pin? I'm going to show you a pin design as well, because we need some sneak peeks. Hide them all out the way. I will show you just the one. What one should I show you? I can't show you that one yet. That's too good. Oh, that's the best one, really. I'm not going to show that one just yet. Okay, this is one I love. It's a little Christmas pudding. A little Christmas pudding. Look at this. It fills me with joy. There's so much glitter on there, like all the rest of my pins have been, and I just love it. It's so cute. All of my little pieces I'm just like in love with, and I think I'm gonna have to keep like one of everything because I just have a hard time letting things go. So yeah, that's all full of pins, and then I've got another box full of pins. Got a whole kind of fishbowl thing full of keychains, which I've been making along with all the baguette boys from yesterday. And yeah, I do need to make a few more charms though, so I think I'm actually going to film that on a video as well. Don't know, that'll be fun. But yeah, that's all I'm up to. I think I might make some charms actually right now. Hello everybody, so it's currently the 30th. It's Halloween Eve, Hallows Eve, the eve of Halloween. I haven't been on much, have I, of the studio vlog? I have been so busy. I've been pre-filming videos like DIYs and stuff for this channel, for my personal channel. I have been making stuff for the Christmas shop update, been taking pictures. Pictures have taken me 3 solid days, which is crazy. I've also, what else have I been doing? Just spooky stuff. I went to a drive-in cinema and watched Hocus Pocus. It was 10 out of 10, amazing, loved it. But yeah, on to what's been going on in this room. What have I done? I've been making and doing all sorts. So this is my like bowl of all the finished products which I've taken photos of, and they're all like packaged up ready to go. I actually really like storing things in here because it's like reaching in to like a mystery bowl to pick things when I do my orders, and I really enjoy it. I don't know why, so I think I might actually buy another one of these and have that kind of, you know, separate. But I thought I'd just give you another sneak peek of something. I don't know, what should I show you today? So I have got my enamel pins in here. These are the ones I've taken photos of already. My enamel pins are coming to my Etsy shop with my Christmas update. I'm so excited about it because obviously these have only been available on my Kickstarter before, and I'm going to be putting them on my Etsy shop, so I'm really excited to see the response. I've obviously got the UFO shrimp, the classic shrimp, and the shrimp in the bowl pin. This one here is like the biggest one. Look. Oh, there. Oh, I love them. So yeah, they're going to be coming to the Etsy store. I've also got Baguette Boy pins on here, all packaged up, ready to go. Never had Baguette Boy pins before. I don't know why I've never got around to making them, but I've made something out along with the keychains and stuff. Can you see some little legs down there? Sneak peek. But yeah, really loving this little fishbowl. Just really liking it. Here's some polymer clay pins, some more. Have I shown you this one? Candy cane. Won't let it focus too much. We'll leave them in there. My washi tapes are still on their way. The shop update is going to be when the washi tapes arrive. They were supposed to be arriving on Monday, but I checked the tracking and they still hadn't been dispatched like 2 days ago, so I don't see how they're still gonna make it on time. Let me just check it again. Where is the tracking number? It still says they're due to come on Monday, but they haven't received the package. I don't know what's going on with that. Maybe I should email them. Really weird. But yeah, I don't know when they're coming. So I've set my shop update to the 8th, which is not this Sunday coming, it's now Friday, the Sunday after, because I'm pretty much ready to go, apart from taking photos of the washi tape that's still to arrive and then creating like the gift kind of boxes like I did with the ghost box, and the card box as well. I want to do 2 Christmas ones, and I think I'm going to do a card box again, but like a different one, one with a few different things in. Like, they're going to be different, but I'm really excited for them. I have like all different colour boxes, so I got red boxes, blue boxes and pink boxes, so that all the boxes can be coordinating. There's only going to be a small amount of the boxes available because obviously I put a lot of stuff in there for a lot cheaper price. Yeah, and I can't make a ton of them, but yeah, that's all about that. I see in my background, actually, I have these frames with like my little prints in, so this like size is absolutely tiny. I had to cut down my prints to fit in them, because look, can you see how small that is? But the text just fits in them. And I've got 'Tis the Season and I've got the Let It Snow one as well, and I'm really happy with how they've turned out, so I'm using them kind of in my background. I love these frames, they are so cute. Yeah, that's that. So I'm gonna leave this vlog here, I think. Let me know if you want to see like a Christmas kind of room decor video. I really want to be changing up this room a bit. Might buy a little bit of furniture, have a little reorganise. If that's something you want to see, I'm happy to put it in a vlog, and then do like a room decor DIY video. I don't know, for Christmas I think that will be really cute. I'm probably going to do it anyway if I have time. But yeah, that's what I'm going to put for this studio vlog. I hope you've enjoyed it, enjoyed seeing the Christmas sneak peeks, and yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon for another video. Bye!